YouTube, it's Katie again. So recently I've been watching this series of stuff called Struggle Cooking, and first off, let me say, I love it. It's a great show. It's on YouTube. I'll link it down in the description. Struggle Kitchen or Struggle Cooking or something. But that channel is for the average person that is really struggling. So they don't, first off, there is a pack drawer, and it's a whole drawer filled with convenience food store freebies like the extra packs of mayonnaise or the extra pack of soy sauce or different various things. And while, yes, those are cheap and they're free, it's not super duper healthy cooking. I mean, yes, it is healthier than, say, a store-bought frozen pizza or something. Anything of that type of thing. But it's still not super duper healthy. It's just cheap and not processed. But for me, I tend to go, I still enjoy doing frugal things, as frugal as possible, but I eat mostly plant-based food. I eat gluten-free right now. I try and do very little to no refined sugar, organic food. So I want to show you different tricks in the not struggling so much kitchen. So here's a trick. I've already talked about how different yard weeds and stuff are actually not as dangerous as we've been made out to think. If you have like this much knowledge, you'll probably be fine. And I'll link that video as well in the description. But yard weeds, they're actually very nutritious for you, not totally dangerous. I've been putting them, if I have smoothie in the morning, I've been putting them there because this is like free nutrition. But sometimes if I make a smoothie, I don't want to go outside and look for weeds because either it's raining or it's morning, so the ground's still wet from the dew, or it has rained, or I'm just feeling lazy and don't wanna. And I looked for some green smoothie powders to buy, but one jar can cost like $50. And no way am I doing that. So I have a dehydrator. I just went out, picked some yard weeds already, and I put them in my dehydrator. See, these are blackberry leaves dried, and I just take them, and once they're dry, put them in a jar, and then my trusty wooden spoon, because I don't want to buy mortar and pestle for this or anything. And I just go through and I crush them a little. Mostly this is get the volume down. I mean, these are gonna go in a smoothie in the blender anyway. And they're pokey, so they need to. But I just kind of mash them. And I'm gonna have to do this a few times, because one batch isn't nearly enough. But this will help me get my nutrition for the day on those dreary and or lazy mornings. And this is how I'm planning to stock up for the winter. In the future, I want to grow more of my greens like spinach and kale, but I don't have those right now. So, weeds. And they're free. And I like that they're free. And so please continue watching for different, not struggling so much frugal meal or recipe tips.